Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in western Kentucky, where my local AGCO dealer, Ag Revolution, is demonstrating a FENDT IDEAL 9T combine. This Class 9 machine is rated at 687 peak horsepower and has a 485 bushel grain tank. In this video, I will take you for a ride in the cab of the combine to talk with a farmer to see what he likes about harvesting corn with the Ideal, as well as talking about the combine's production history, specifications, and list price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all the harvesting action. So when you're unloading on the go, how do you like this extra long unloading auger?
It's definitely nice. You know, it feels like it keeps the machine away from the combine. And you're not worried about them big of a chance of running into the head or anything like that. And, took the grain cart drive a little bit to get used to get a little bit farther away from me, but yeah, I definitely like it. It's a good option.
I imagine he's staying busy. We can see here pouring out 6 bushels per second. It doesn't take long to empty out the tank and move it to the cart. So it looks like the unloading auger empties out pretty quick, and
yeah, it empties out really quick. It's a little faster than 70-90 for sure.
So your farm has run John Deere a long time, and you're trying out this Ideal. How do you, how would you compare it to the S790 that you have currently?
It definitely has more capacity. Right now I'm running about 4 just so the grain cart can keep up with both of us, but you know, out across the road we're running 5 to 6 mile an hour and, you know, 230, 240 bushel corn, you know, very minimal loss. So it, you know, the machine it definitely has a lot of horsepower, a lot of capacity, a lot of cleaning capacity as well.
we can take a look at the corn coming in back there. It's very clean looking and fast moving. So I imagine with a 12-row head, this combine doesn't even hardly know it's there.
No, it's like Mo said, it can definitely handle a 16-row head for sure.
And all of your controls are laid out on the side. I mean, it's a very good visibility of the field here from the cab. You don't have thick corner posts or instrumentation on it.
This is not really, I don't think, a hydrostatic. It's more they're calling like a CVT control. It's really smooth.
Well, that's good to hear about it. How do you like the track system on the combine?
You know, I've never drove combine with tracks, and it's it's really smooth going down the road and really smooth out the field. Especially if you're crossing a ditch or something. You don't have that hard jar like you do in a tire machine. Like the fuel efficiency and quietness of the cab, and it's got a lot of combine's got a lot of capacity.
How many acres a day are you covering with this machine?
Well, we're not getting near as much as we could get. We're catching our dryer in our wet tank, but it's starting to dry down a little bit. We're both combines. We're probably doing 150 acres. But as it gets below 20%, we should start getting to 200 acres a day, close to it.
Oh, that's some pretty good coverage. The FENDT IDEAL series includes Class 7 through 10 combines. This classification is based on the machine's engine horsepower, which ranges in the IDEAL series from 451 to 790 peak horsepower. The IDEAL combines are manufactured by AGCO in Briganza, Italy. The IDEAL Combine series was launched by AGCO for model year 2017 exclusively in Europe, and they're distributed under both the FENDT and Massey Ferguson brand. In model year 2018, the IDEAL Combine series was introduced to the North American market, and initially the company was going to market them under the Challenger brand. They ultimately decided to keep it a FENDT exclusive for the United States and Canada. This Class 9 machine, when it was launched in North America in 2018, was the largest combine available from AGCO in the region. It remains a current product in 2023. It's powered by a 15.2-liter MAN 927 cubic inch engine rated at a peak 687 horsepower. It's fitted with a 330-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 48-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. It features a 2-stage motion shift transmission with a capability of running up to 25 miles per hour. The 9T features 6,293 square inches of separation area. It separates grain with dual helix rotors that are 16 feet in length and 24 inches in diameter. The combine is equipped with a 485 bushel grain tank that unloads at an industry-leading 6 bushels per second through a 34.7-foot unloading auger. All 485 bushels are moved out in 1 minute and 20 seconds. The FENDT IDEAL 9T, equipped with 36-inch tracks, weighs in at 58,689 pounds. The combine's model number indicates that it's a Class 9 track machine. According to FENDT.com, the IDEAL 9 combine with wheels has a list price for model year 2023 of $818,464. When the tracks are added to the machine, the price goes up to $933,802. All new IDEAL combines sold in North America come with FENDT's Gold Star Customer Care Package, which is a full 3-year or 1,200 engine hour warranty. This also includes all filter and fluid changes for free during that time period, and also allows for a loaner combine if your machine is down for more than 48 hours. The FENDT IDEAL 9T combine harvesting corn in this video is equipped with a Geringhoff Patriot 12-row 30-inch space corn head. When it's time for this big machine to move on to the next field, the 485 bushel grain tank closes and the 34.7 foot unloading auger and 30 foot wide corn head fold up for a narrow 15 feet in transport position. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this FENDT IDEAL 9T combine harvesting corn. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video, if you raise corn on your farm, tell me about the combine and the size corn header that you're running to harvest the crop. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional corn harvesting content from the channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to 2 more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.